Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Finally, after like 2 years, I'm back. Yay! Alright, so for today's DIY, I'm gonna be washing my sponges. I posted this video in my Snapchat and a lot of my friends asked me how I did it. So I figure maybe it's a good idea to post it here and start the year like that. So yeah, let's get started. Using is just a glass container, obviously your sponges, and I have quite a few, whatever dish soap you have at home, and then also I'm gonna be using coconut oil. You can literally use any type of oil. This is basically to help it, get all the products, foundation, and all the dirt inside the beauty sponges. Once the time is done, just make sure you take the bowl out of the microwave with maybe some gloves or maybe your sleeves. That is just so that you don't burn yourself because the container is gonna be really hot. Then we're gonna pour the water out and then kind of like put a little bit more water so that we can squish them and kind of like rinse them basically. This is result. So you can see they're pretty good. Back to the original. And it works pretty good. But if you see one that it's like still stained and it's kind of like ripping off, like this one right here, then maybe it's time to get a new one. Alright, so this is it guys. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this DIY and see you till the next one. Bye!